Would you rather live in a condo in a big city where it's congested, or would you rather live here? A 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a massive living area on the outside of the house, gotta show you that, and 2 huge living spaces inside the home. If you work in the city, you need internet, you need a place to work. That's boring. Here, you have access to one of the best internet services around. You work from here, you live in paradise for a fraction of the cost of living in that prison called city. And don't get me started about Redding, where the world wants to live. One of the most unique rooms I've seen in housing. It's all enclosed, yet open. So there's a breeze coming through here. This is the ideal party spot. And don't get me started on the AIRbnb potential in this home. I'm JR, and we ensure that sellers get the best buyer at the highest price, and buyers get great terms on their home.